Alright, good morning, y'all. Today I'm making an omelet. I'm gonna make two omelets today. Um, so the first one I just put in, and yeah, so I'm making an omelet. Don't mind my hair. Um, I went back to bed, and then my boyfriend called, so I called my boyfriend at 5. That's how my hair looks now. Um, so right now I'm just making an omelet, a cheesy omelet. Um, So right now I'm just making the omelet, and I don't even know if it's hot because right now it's on. Yeah, it's hot. It's taking forever. Um, but yeah. So I'm gonna put some cheese on top. I have to wait until the eggs are cooked. Um, and then I like to add two cheeses on each to make it extra cheesy. It makes it good. Um, so yeah, it's really good. Pardon my hair. It looks a mess. I get it. Um, but it's gonna be a lot better. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm wearing this is like my top and small bottom from my pajamas. So yeah. Anywho, I like cooking, so it's actually. Oh crap! I messed that up. I messed that up, y'all. Hold on. I messed that up real bad. Um, Sorry about that, y'all. Now, I'm just gonna have to like redo it. I don't know why it's not heating. It is, it's hot. So, we are going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just a little. Don't want to add a lot. So I have this here. I'm just gonna do a little. You don't want to add a lot of it in. Don't want to add a lot of it in. So we're gonna like put that there. I'm gonna pick up some eggs. Don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm sorry if you can't. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Okay, so I'm gonna crack up some eggs since I messed up on the first one. Yeah, I'm gonna do two for now. I'm gonna do another batch. I'm gonna do another batch. You wanna add some pepper. And add some salt. And stir them. Like, don't actually ever try and eat it, like eat it raw. Don't ever try to eat it raw, cause it just like, oh no. So right now, I'm just trying to cover it, and then we're gonna add it to the bottom. Just like that. And then this is how you make an omelet. You wanna make sure, I think I'm gonna add like a couple more eggs just to make it a good texture. So excuse me, I'm gonna add one more egg. Or maybe 2 more, just to make it good. I'm gonna take you guys back over here. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So you just wanna make sure, like, I have my ingredients on my tablet. So yeah. So right now it's just cooking, and then yeah. So we're just gonna wait. Yeah, so I usually like to I like to add cheese. I like to add cheese to mine. So we're gonna add some regular cheese. If you don't, then yeah, it's it's like, it's different. So you wanna add, I like to add 2 cheeses to mine, only because it's good. So I like cheese on mine. So I'm gonna add 2. Maybe it shouldn't have like a lot of stuff in it. But like, this is my first time cooking my own omelet, so I don't know. I don't even know what this will actually like. You put it this way. But I'm gonna add the other one to it. And only because it'll make it bigger. I messed up, y'all. Again. Excuse me. Allergies, I'm sorry. Yeah, I messed up. Hold on. This is like my first time doing this. So. I'm sorry, y'all. This is my first time doing this. So it looks like crap. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna try this again. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try this again. Since it already has oil in it, you don't have to worry about putting oil on it. And it was actually coming along good, but I messed up. Just by the taste of it. So I'm sorry if this phone's moving too much now. It's only because I suck at cooking this stuff. So we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna put it on high to make it cook better. Allergies, I'm sorry. I don't even know if I don't know. But yeah. So I'm trying to cook how to like do different things. You know, it cooks like really good. Ooh, nice. So I want to make sure I don't get like. You want to make sure it has like enough. There we go. I'm gonna put it on low. There we go. Now I had to let it sit. You know, I am going to just cut it. If I can find it. Hold on, y'all. Sorry, this is me when I can't find something on here. Oh yeah, I found it. And don't mind the mess up, because everyone messes up like cooking. You can just like start over. So I'm gonna rip this part in half. I'm gonna layer it. Just layering it is a perfect like way of knowing what to do with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I layered it with cheese. And this is just what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna go over to the side and go over. I can't really show you guys what I'm cooking right like this, but I'm describing what I'm doing. It's not really that perfect, y'all, but it's close. And since the cheese is melted, I'm taking it off. And yeah, so I'm just waiting, and I'm gonna cook another one. So this is what it looks like. This is what my omelet looks like. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Omelet girl. Ooh, it looks so good. But I'm gonna make another one. I'm making another one, man. But since I know how to make omelets now, it's a cheesy one, so it's like really good. And it actually works perfectly. So yeah, so we're gonna get started with the other one I'm gonna do. Add some pepper, and add some pepper and some salt. And we're gonna whisk it. And then I'm gonna pour it in to the bowl. It's like the same one. It's the same way you do it. It already has oil in it. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a minute, and I'm gonna get the cheese ready. So it be looking good. The best way to do it is just let it sit and let it like start popping a little, and then like you don't want it to pop a lot, but you want to have it to pop like a little bit. And it's my favorite thing to do because I love omelets, and my auntie made some omelets for me, and but I'm trying to make my own, so I'm cooking some omelets right now. And since I'm gonna try it right now, I'm just gonna see how it tastes. Oh, the cheese tastes good. I know it's not how you make a regular omelet, but it's my first time. Oh. I did a really good job. Okay, okay. So I'm just doing it the same like I did the other one. You want to lift it. You don't want to lift it too much where you don't have enough leverage or you get stuck all the way. Okay. Now I'm going to add my cheese again. As you guys know, cheese is a factor for me. I love cheese. And yeah, so we're gonna get going. And I like to layer it. And I think I'm gonna add some meat. So there's gonna be one that has cheese and meat and one that just has cheese. So I'm gonna add some meat. But I'm gonna cut the meat up and put it in there. And yeah. I don't want it to stick to the pan. There we go. And since I do have some meat, I'm not gonna cut it up. I'm just gonna rip it, and we're gonna see how it looks. It's like the cheese. You don't want it like to automatically just like, you want it to be tasty. If you know what I mean. So I like to add a decent amount of meat. So we're just gonna do like 3 more just to make it really good. I add cheese and meat because it's good. It just tastes good. So we're just gonna layer it with some yummy meat. I'm gonna have the last one. And you can like flip it a certain way. Ooh, ooh, okay. Okay. I guess that's done. I said I'm done. So it looks bad. But I'm hungry. So yeah, the cheese literally like leaked out of it. So that's it. And we're gonna turn it off completely. Then we're gonna put it in the back. And that's it. So since that's done, I'm gonna show you guys my omelets. The second one looks really bad, but it's okay. You can make it look gooey and good. So stay tuned for the next video I'm gonna do, which is lunchtime. I'm gonna be cooking some quesadillas at lunch, so I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.